Three Rivers Archery, your longbow and recurve experts.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Karch at Three Rivers Archery. Today we're taking a look at the Molly Jogger Scrimshaw Knife Kit. Now this is a great little kit because it gives you everything you need to get into scrimshawing. Now what is scrimshawing? Scrimshawing is the etching of designs into a smooth surface. Very commonly done on, or used to be done on ivory, and then with this kit, this is bone plates on either side of it. It takes well to the whole process in that. It's easy to work with, and the kit gives you everything you need to really dive into it. It's got good instructions that come with it, and then the items that come with it. Well, to start off with scrimshawing is you can put any design that fits onto your area. So with the knife here, we have the side plates, and you have two sides, so you can do the same design or different designs. They give you some easily transferred designs here. They have on the back of the box tons of options there, and even some pictures to show you even more things that you can do. But the nice thing is they even give you a pencil. You can draw what you like on there. You can do any design of your heart's content. If you want to do lettering, if you want to do an image, whatever you like. And then they give you transfer paper if you use one of theirs, or if you want to draw it that way for it to really make it stand out and easy to follow along. And then there's the ink, and they give you a ton of ink here. So you have enough to do this project and many more to come. And then a few applicators here to make it easy to apply. Keeping your scribe here sharp, because obviously with the sharp tools makes the job goes easier. And then even some still wool. So a great kit to have around. Awesome there. Really good as a gift, whether you're giving the whole kit as itself as someone to a gift, or if you want to take the knife, make a design and give it to somebody you care for, or keep it for yourself. We picked this up because we see this as a great thing for traditional archers. It seems to connect very well. We like making our own gear and really having that personal connection to it. So we're hoping that others would like that too. But we want to hear your thoughts. Let us know what you'd put on the knife or on other projects for it, or who you'd give it to, or why they would like something like this. We're excited for it, and we're hoping to carry more items like this in the future. So if you have any questions, please comment below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you really like the video, hit that share button to share with your friends and family. I'm Jonathan Karch with Three Rivers Archery. Thanks for watching.